Good morning, everyone. We're going to do a really quick card. Now in the file, I have this set to draw, but I changed mine out to foil and I foiled mine. So that's totally up to you guys. However you want to do that. Just be mindful of your space when you're doing this. And look on your canvas when you're putting your writing in and make sure that you have 2.25, 2.25 inches above your score line. This is where your card is going to lay, your gift card. So you're limited on your space here. Now you can go up here. I have put a scored circle there just to make sure that you know where your closure is. So if you want to put to and from up on this side, you can do that as well. And on this one right here, just make sure you're not coming up too high because this flap is going to fold over a portion of this, and you'll see that here in just a moment. So just be mindful of how large your images are. You want to stay in between those score lines there, and again, you want it from this score line up 2.25 inches. Then anything above that is fair game. Okay, so let's put this together. It's really quick, simple, easy. I promised you guys that for the holidays, for those last minute gifts. So you're going to fold on the score line here, and then you're going, and that's folding away from your mountain fold, and then you're going to valley fold this next one, which is folding towards you, so you have a shape similar to this. And then this last one is going to be another valley fold up like this. So this piece is shaped just like that. Then we're going to come over here and do the side tabs on this piece. And then you're going to fold this one in. Okay. And then this top one is a valley fold as well. So the tabs are mountain folds away from you, and then these are towards you. Okay, valley folds. We're going to take, I'm going to be using art glitter glue. I just got this in a smaller bottle, easier to handle. We're going to put glue on these two tabs. You want to be careful and not get too close to this edge here, but enough that your glue will squish down and it sticks. We don't want to be sticking our inside of our card together. Don't want so much glue that it will squish out. Okay, if your tape runner's strong enough, you can do that. There will be stress on this, so I'm going to suggest that you glue it. Rub. Look down in there, make sure that there's no glue squished out on the inside of the pocket to keep it from sticking. You can always put a piece of liner in there to hold, just to make sure while you're gluing and it's drying. Super easy, super simple. Then you're going to take this piece and we're going to put glue on this tab right here, and we're going to glue that right to the top here. Perfectly even at the top and on the sides. Don't want it overhanging. Give that a rub. Distribute that glue. Make sure I'm all straight, and I am. And while that glue is drying, right here on this panel, right here, we're going to add our bow. Now all I did was take a loop of ribbon and just leave my tails out, and then I wrapped a piece around it and tied it off, cut it fairly close, put a glue dot on it, and stuck it to a longer piece of ribbon. That's all I did. Not really anything major. I'm going to use another glue dot. I'm using the super sticky ones And mine are a little bit big. If you have the smaller ones, it's better. But I'm trying to use these up. They're getting old and they're super, super sticky. And I'm just going to place one right on the back of the bow there. And then I'm going to flatten this out, and I have to stand up. I want to get that center. I'm centering the bow and just sticking that down. I'll straighten it up here in a second. I'm just going to press that down, give it a good stick. And I'm going to, well, if I can find my tape runner, there it is. I don't want a whole lot of sticky on this side, so I'm just going to put it on my ribbon. I don't want any hanging off the edges. I'm just going to fold that over to the back and stick it down. Just like so. How cute is this? You're going to love this. We're done. We are literally done. We're just going to take, if you want to stick your card down, you can. Don't have to. You're going to take this tail and stick it right inside. Now we're going to put our closure on it. I'm using Velcro dots. Use what you have. If you want to tie it, again, I have a little scored area right there for these. We're just going to pop those on. Pop in our card, and we're going to close it. Super easy, super simple. They open it up, and when it pulls that card in. Now you see I didn't tape that one down at all, and it kind of shifts a little bit. Again, all you need is a glue dot or just a little bit of tape runner on your card. Center it in, stick it down, and now it's stuck. Super, super easy and simple. How cute is that? Now, if you want, you can actually, and I think I might. I like it better. I'm going to run some tape right here on that section and tape it down right there, just to get rid of some of the bulk as it pulls through. And then we're just going to tuck it back in. Totally up to you. That's just extra. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, that's much better. That way it takes down some of that bulk. All right, guys. Guess I could stick it even. There you go. Super easy, simple gift card holder, pop-up, interactive. You guys have a happy holidays. I'll catch you on the next video on Monday.